Guys, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY. And today's do-it-yourself vlog video is actually a sponsored video from QMay. Now, if you want to see what we're going to do with this QMay sponsorship, make sure you keep watching. We are featuring QMay, and this is for their air dry clay. And as you can see, I have a special guest today, Miss TT here, because we are going to do this QMay sponsorship. Now you guys, I'm going to link all of QMay's information down in that description box. So we're going to be showing you some kid-friendly DIY ideas. So with that being said, my package came like this. Now TT's already looked at it and checked everything out, and you guys, this is air dry clay. It does come with 50 colors. It's non-toxic, super light, and naturally air drying. So when we open up the package, here is the air clay. Now you guys, per the instructions, it comes with the instruction book, and this is the modeling clay, children's toy world, love life and love clay is their slogan. And the main ingredients for this clay is foam and powder, pure water, and safety pigments in order to keep the clay moist. They did actually add food grade glycerin to it as well. And the clay is wheat and gluten free. So, what are you making, TT?
A donut.
And
the sprinkles is the icing.
Okay. She's making a donut with the sprinkle icing, and I'm going to make the hamburger so we can share the book, you guys. Now, this is our first time ever using this. It looks extremely simple and easy, and it does give you the instructions on how to make each item. Now, it has several items you can make in the book. Make sure you do click that link, and make sure you do also click that website. They have the tank, they have ice cream, they have dinosaurs, mermaid, Heronzaville, rabbits, watermelon, mushroom, crab, you name it, starfish, you name it, you can make it. Now they do start off with the simple instructions as when you get your clay, you screw it, which is the twisting method, then you roll it, you pinch it, you press it, and you cut it. Now we're going to see how good me and TT can follow instructions. Now it does come with your tools, your cutting and pressing and all of that tools, and it's a total of 3 of them in there, you guys. Okay, and it does come with the bag, so once you take the clay out of the initial package, you put them back in this Ziploc sealable little bag. Now TT told me that I had to get some crafts that was kid friendly that she can play with as well. And once again, it does come with 50 different colors. Now here are your colors, TT. Pick out your colors. Fully doing this right, but in the meantime, we're gonna have fun.
Yeah.
And QMay does sell on Amazon as well. Once again, all of their information is down in the description box. We're just going to have some creative fun. That's what we're making. She's doing the donut and I'm doing what?
The burger.
The burger. And we're going to go back to
That look like a big double.
The instructions on how it tells us we have to screw, roll, pinch, press, and cut. So,
I got the nuts ready. Now that's coming together. Mine is almost done to yours, but I got a lot of sprinkles.
That's cheese. We have a hamburger. Now I just need to put my sesame seeds on top of my burger. We both are almost at the finish line for this QMay. QMay, you know I will butcher a name. This is still called air clay. So TT, with this air clay, what would you rate the overall score for it being kid friendly, something that a kid would like to use and play with? What would you rate it as?
I would rate it as like Play-Doh, but not slime because they can get it in their hair.
Okay, well, on a scale of 1 to 10, for us being fun, what number do you give it? 1 is not good, or 10 is real fun. And
it's real fun.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, you will rate this what? For as fun, a fun activity.
I'll give it a 10.
Okay, it's a 10. Okay.
I would like to do this with my family, but not with my whole family because it's not enough.
But you can get enough. That's a lot of stuff in there. You probably can have.
Yeah, but
it says 50 colors for ages 3 and up. It probably can be 8 or 9 of you doing this at the same time.
We're going to sit it out for a little while.
We're going to let it sit out, and we're going to come back and let you see what it looks like because it's air clay. So we don't know. With the name, it seems like it should get hard, but
their bottom part is a little more upper.
Yeah.
And mine's a little more lower.
Yeah, okay.
Because it says flat.
Yeah. And this is my burger. I think it turned out wonderful.
Good.
Now show them
my donut. I add those sprinkles on.
Yeah. And here's what we use for as our inspiration. It's yours right there.
And the white Play-Doh, it was soft as the light purple.
It was soft. Okay.
Yeah.
Now tell me if you think me and TT did a good job for as replicating what was in the book. All right, that's it, you guys. And once again, like I said, we're gonna come back and let you see what this looks like. But thank you, QMay, for sponsoring this video. And once again, this is your air dry clay. It is non-toxic, super light, and natural air drying, you guys.
And don't forget
it is family friendly. It is a family friendly project, and it also shows you on the back how to mix your colors. If you want to get certain colors, this for the this is for your cars, and it shows you
how to make the card.
How to make it. But once again, this is your 50 colors, and I think this would be a family fun project, and it's recommended for ages 3 and up. Now, like I say, I actually had way more fun than I thought. I'm going to make some more projects from the book, and we're going to play with it some more. But drop us a comment and let us know what you think. Once again, QMay, I know I butchered the name, it's going to be on the screen, but thank you so much for sponsoring this video.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And out of the words of TT, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.